Okay, Dr. Warren, let's go ahead and talk about 2015 Taste for Life Essentials Award winner, Probiotic, Prebiotic, 1, 2, 3, 4 with Garcinia cambogia, please.
I know, it's a great product. Again, we're combining two of your great winners, which is the Garcinia with the probiotics. And why do we need probiotics? We need that gut health. We know that our gut's our second brain, and because of all the bad foods we eat, the toxins, the pollutions around us, our gut becomes sluggish, and it has bad bacteria in it. So we need to replace it with the right bacteria. So you've taken 8 billion of 4 different types of bacteria combined with inulin, which is a fiber, and fructose oligosaccharide, another fiber that's sort of like the fertilizer that feeds the bacteria. So when you take in this veggie capsule, it goes in it, dissolves, starts growing, and starts replacing it. Then you add the Garcinia to it, which helps increase your metabolism, helps you lose weight. And so whether you're losing weight or whether you're maintaining, you need pre and probiotics every day. And then the Garcinia is just that little reminder to help you feel better every day and give you that little extra energy and that weight control that we need.